Affiliate marketing tips and tricks anyone can use. The world of affiliate marketing is very vast and exciting. There are so many ways that one can enter and use their knowledge of this field to help promote their own business. It depends completely on the individual. That said, no matter what your marketing skills are, here are some tips to help you. Offer visitors to your website exclusive content or services if they make a purchase from the advertisers in your affiliate marketing program. Do not restrict vital information this way, but make sure that visitors who do buy get something of definite value out of your website's bonus content. This will encourage both purchases from your affiliate and repeat visits to your website. Keep track of special offers made by the advertisers in your affiliate marketing program. If advertisers on your website are making a limited time offer on the products you are advertising for them, you should know about it. Consider posting special content to emphasize such deals so that you get your piece of the action. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, hold out for a product with a generous commission, somewhere between 20 to 50% of the profit after sale. Companies who offer such commissions understand the importance of the new customers that you will refer to them, and will pay you accordingly. Understand the true concepts behind affiliate marketing. Spam tactics and pressure to buy will not help you to increase your sales. Remember that only people who actually buy a product will generate revenue for you. Just because someone clicks on a link does not mean you get paid. Understanding the concept can make all the difference between success and failure. If you want to make the most money from your affiliate marketing efforts, try to find companies that give you credit for any orders you send them, not just ones that click through from your page. See if they have a way to track email, phone or fax orders as well. Before signing up for any affiliate program, see if the program has a reputation for what is called commission shaving. Some dishonest affiliates shave commissions, which is affiliate marketing jargon for not crediting all sales that were referred by your affiliate ID. This is an inexact science since you depend on the company to accurately report this data, but it is possible to note suspicious activity. Affiliate marketing is a fascinating and exciting world that is only limited by the extent of a person's product and budget. There are many possibilities, products, and techniques. Start experimenting to find something new for yourself or to learn something new that you can better for your business. Become a better affiliate marketer by using these tips. Student loan.